Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. Hope you are doing great wherever you're watching this video from. In this episode, I brought together beautiful and super classy Shuku hairstyles for my classy and elegant ladies. You'll be seeing lots and lots of braided ponytail styles that you can rock as a beautiful black woman that you are. Feel free to share with me in the comment section what you think about these hairstyles compilation. And I'll be super excited. I'll be super glad to reply your beautiful comments. If you enjoy watching this video, do want to give it a thumbs up and share the video with others so they get to see these amazing hairstyles compiled for you. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Press the Legs of Fashion, where you get updated on the latest and trending fashion styles. You also get to see amazing hairstyles on this channel. If you'd love to see more videos like this, do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when I upload a new video on the channel. Thank you so much as you consider subscribing, and I appreciate you so much for watching this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Remember to always stay glued to this channel for more beautiful styles are coming your way. Do have a lovely day and stay safe always. Bye.